people. What?
Wait. Is that food? Guys, he has food! He has food! Guys, Blue has food! Come to Stump! He has food! He has food, he's in Stump! Guys! He has food! I'm just hoping the audio doesn't get messed up right now. I tried doing this last night, but the audio got messed up.
I'm gonna change back.
Wait, take all your cosmetics off.
No, no, don't change
Why?
back.
Can I keep that? Can I just keep the blush?
Yeah, just keep it on. Just keep the tiniest details on. Oh my god, we got fish leg moon. Bro, wait! Hey! Change your name to Seagull!
Taking a video of this.
Hey, change your name to Seagull. There's two people that don't have their names as Seagull. This is, oh my god! Bro, can we even go to public servers at this point? We can't even do that. Why is there so many people in here? Bro, I only got like 6. Why is there like 9? So sadly, who's Seagull girl? You! It's a female. Go to Stump. Go to Stump. Guys, come on, go to Stump. We're gonna, what the f is your dad?
I gotta take a Seagull poop. I gotta go Seagull poop.
Okay.
Wait, I'm good.
Okay, just gonna.
Me too.
I just peed. Wait, guys, go to mirror. Go to mirror. Oh my god, we look so sexy. Oh my god. Now it is finally time to start the raid. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, guys, change spots. Go under there. Under here, over here. Monkey, where are you? Under there. Alright, I'm gonna go get someone. What? Oh my god, guys, get back in there. I'm gonna go get someone. Okay, guys, when I join, you guys need to be quiet, okay? I'm gonna go get someone. BRB. Who wants to play mini games? Like hide and seek, who wants to play Ghost in the Graveyard? Okay, follow me to computer. I got people. What's up, bro?
I literally just got here. Bro, look, there's 10 people.
Wait. Is that food? Guys, he has food! Guys, Blue has food! Come to Stump! He has food! He's in Stump! Guys! He has food! There he is! Oh my god! Get him! Ow! Hit something! Follow him! Yes, food! Oh my god.
Okay, here.
Yo, Blue. I'm Blue. Cyan. Should we let him go so we can find another one?
Seagull girl.
Let's let him go.
Let's let him go. Yeah, you can leave, bro. You're safe.
Yeah, you're leaving.
I don't want
Yeah, bro. Everybody hide. I have a good hiding spot.
Seagull girl. I will get them this time. Mine.
Come on, bro.
Blue, leave. We're not just playing mini games. We're just pranking you. My thing's lagging.
Now.
Oh, wait, what? Who did that? Teleported us. Go back to code.
Oh, so you come, bro. You came.
Yeah. On your Who was voted most sexiest Seagull of 2023? Gotta be honest, it's fish legs, dude. It's fish legs. It just has to be fish legs. It's facts. He's excited about it. Bro, my man's about to get at least like 30 and a half girls.
21.
Yeah. Wait on, so we what the frick? What just happened? What just happened? Bro, I got kicked. Why? Bro, was I banned? What just happened? Okay, I'm not banned. I guess that.
Like up there. Then we jump down.
Yeah, up here.
Wait, right there, on the sign.
Over here.
You're on the sign.
Guys, I watched the leaderboard.
No.
I bet, watch the leaderboard.
The rocket! The rocket just launched!
Oh!
Yo! No, we just missed it!
No!
Bro, we just missed it!
Bro, I missed it!
Guys!
Yeah. You got someone.
Money! Give me the money!
That guy has food! That guy has food! Mine.
Everybody, me and mountains.
You're copying me. Don't do that. I'm still the best music monkey. No, you're not.
Everybody meets in
Yeah?
mountains.
Yeah. Everyone meet up! And listen to the hot monkey.
Oh yeah, that's illegal. That's illegal.
Sir, yes, sir.
No, him.
We have to catch him. How do we do that?
We take his
Play it?
Wait.
Yeah, sure. That's him.
Hey! Oh, wait. Oh my god. Get him! Get him!
Buddy.
Everyone get the igloo. Everyone get the igloo.
Alright, everybody, I'm gonna do my intro. Be right back.
Alright.